As a professional brand dedicated to R&D and service of laser cleaning equipment, BOGONG Laser received numerous inquiries via email from users of our laser cleaners. To help you efficiently resolve issues during equipment operation and ensure smooth production, we are now listing key problem types and why they happen, and professional solutions based on real-world cases, providing you with authoritative goods on operation and maintenance. One improper operation, standard procedures are key. Some equipment failures come from improper operations, mainly in two cases. Checks in pre-startup. Core component scanners, reflectors, focusing lenses enable laser emission. And protective windows, with protective windows serving as the final barrier against dust. Before starting the machine, two critical checks must be performed strictly. 1. Remove the protective cap of the protective window. Our equipment uses a dedicated protective cap for dust prevention. 2. Confirm cleaning materials and potions. Pay attention on distance on laser head. Starting the machine without completing these checks may lead to laser deviation, dust accumulation on protective windows, or even component damage. Improper use of compressed air. During cleaning, dust and fumes easily adhere to lenses. To address this, compressed air or a dust collector can be used, and our equipment is equipped with a built-in compressed air channel. However, it is mandatory to use 100% oil-free and water-free, clean compressed air. A small air compressor suitable for this equipment will suffice. Even though the machine is fitted with a pressure regulator and a final stage filter, these components cannot fully remove oil or water. Using unqualified compressed air will directly contaminate the lenses, causing irreversible damage. 2. Quality-related issues. Professional after-sales support for efficient resolution. Quality-related issues primarily involve 3 core components: the cleaning gun, laser source, and control board. The scanner in the cleaning gun is a high-wear part that requires special attention. Key roles and wearing risks of scanners. BOGONG Laser prioritizes high-quality scanners. However, wear or malfunctions may still occur, such as convenient after-sales solution. Repairing scanners requires specialized technical expertise. To minimize downtime for your production, we offer a full cleaning gun replacement service. 3. Risks in maintenance procedures. Regular care extends equipment lifespan. Protective windows need regular replacement. Improper operation during maintenance may introduce new issues. Core maintenance guidelines. Importance of regular maintenance. Standard maintenance significantly reduces component wear and extends equipment lifespan. We recommend keeping a maintenance log to record replacement cycles and operation details. For technical guidance, feel free to contact our after-sales team at any time. At BOGONG Laser, we focus our work on customer needs. From component selection to after-sales support, we strictly control product quality and service experience. Whether you have questions about operations, or need troubleshooting help, or require maintenance guidance, please reach out via our official channels.